Hello, welcome to another episode of Growing Your Own Food with Envy Nature. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can extract scent leaf seeds from its flower. There are two reasons why you might want to extract the seeds. One would be to plant it immediately. The other would be to store it somewhere for your next planting season. Now, before I go into describing the extraction process, I'm going to talk a little bit about scent leaf. Scent leaf is a herb used as spice and seasoning for cooking because of its unique aromatic flavor and taste. In Nigeria, it is commonly used in cooking delicacies such as pepper soup, white soup, porridge, sauces, and even rice. Different tribes in Nigeria have different names for it. The Ibibios call it Ntong, the Igbos call it Nchaun, the Yorubas call it Efirin, the Hausas call it Dodoya. It has common names like African basil, clove basil, and wild basil. Aside its unique flavor and taste, it has a lot of health benefits because it is packed with a lot of micro and macronutrients. Scent leaf is known to be used to treat and manage certain health conditions like inflammation, fevers, diabetes, and infections. Now let's go back to the scent leaf seeds. You see, tiny seeds are produced in the flower of scent leaf plant after it has been pollinated by insects such as butterflies, flies, and wasps. The flowers become brown and dry when it is matured, and at this point the seed is also matured too. The dry flower along with the seeds can easily break up the plant and is dispersed by gravity, wind, animal, and human activities. This is why scent leaf grows everywhere like weed. It can be found in natural vegetation, it can be found on the roadsides. It spreads so quickly that it is considered an invasive species in certain countries. For domestic cultivation and storage, scent leaf seeds can be extracted from a matured flower for use. This can be achieved using the following steps. Step 1. Look for a mature scent leaf plant with matured flowers. That is, flowers that have turned brown and are dry. Step 2. Cut out the mature flower for the seed extraction. You may cut a whole branch along with the flower if you want to use the leaves immediately for a meal so that you don't just waste it. Step 3. Place the flower in a plate and use your fingers to forcefully rub along the flower stem to detach the flower pods into the plate. Step 4. Rub the flower pods with your fingers in the plate. The friction will break it open and release the seeds into the plate. Step 5. Pour it into a sieve with an appropriate mesh size to sieve the seeds from the flower shaft. However, some of the remnant of the chaff may pass through the sieve along with the seeds, but this is not a problem. You can use the seed along with the chaff and it will not affect it.
Okay.
If the seed is intended for storage, place the extract in an envelope and store it in a cool, dry place at room temperature. But if the seed is intended for cultivation, just spread it at your chosen location and it will germinate within a couple of days. Note that unfortunately the germination rate of scent leaf seed is quite low, so you have to spread as many seeds as you can so that you achieve the best possible result. So that is it. That is how you extract scent leaf seeds for cultivation or for storage. It's as simple as that. But did you know that scent leaf can equally be planted using stem cuttings? Yes, it can be, and it's very simple. To cultivate through stem cuttings, just look for a matured branch on your scent leaf plant and cut it, and then stick it in the soil. It will root and grow within 28 days, and then you have a new plant. So just in case you did not know. Thank you for watching this episode, and I'll be posting more videos like this on how to grow your own food. So do well to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and bye bye.